everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, it is time to share with you guys the Walgreens ad preview deals for August 11th through August 17th. I think it's going to be a great deal, or a great week for deals, a lot of point boosters, some register rewards, and then I feel like a lot of these are kind of repeating themselves. I've seen a lot of these deals a lot so far in the last couple weeks, but you know what? It's still good to save some money, so I'm going to share with you guys good deals to get right now. Sorry, Miss Charlotte just is being a stinker. Okay, so the first deal you guys want to clip to your card right there on the top corner of the first page is the it says redeem points, and you get a coupon for a 10,000 everyday points. So basically what you guys will do is just redeem something, but make sure you guys' Catalina works, your Catalina machine. But yeah, so what you guys will just do is redeem points, and you'll get a 10 times everyday points Catalina. I'm not sure when you use the Catalina, but I just wanted to share with you guys on that. Now they have a lot of school supplies, glue sticks, 49 cents. They have Papermate, scissors, and then that one brand of pencils that people say is a really good brand of pencils for 99 cents, which is a pretty good deal. Now they also have the Butterfinger and Crunch candy, Nestle candy for 39 cents. Now we did get some coupons from the 728 Smart Source. You got a 50 cents off of 2. So you guys want to buy 2 candy bars, and you guys will end up getting both candy bars for just 28 cents or 14 cents a piece. Awesome deal. They got Pop-Tarts and Kellogg's cereal for $1.88. Now we do have some 3 off of 5 digital, or 3 off of 5 coupons, plus there's tons of different coupons on coupons.com, and you guys can also use the Kellogg's Family Rewards program and get some. But if you guys still have those 3 off of 5, definitely use that. You guys would pay $6.40 for 5 boxes. Comes out to be $1.28 a piece. Plus I've been pounding you guys with this. They have those where if you guys buy certain marked boxes of Kellogg's products, you guys can get a free book, and I love that. And that deal does end, I think, the end of this month or the end of September, but definitely do that deal if you guys want to do that. Scott's paper towels are, it says $3.75, but they're actually $5, and then you guys will get a, you guys want to use the Walgreens booklet coupon, IVC is what most people call it, for $1.25, plus we also have some 50-cent off coupons in the 728 Smart Source, so you guys will get those for $3.25 a piece. You guys can also submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards, and you get points for that also. And then they have Purex for $1.98, and it looks like we'll have a $1 off coupon, making them 98 cents. Tide Simply with the $1 off coupon, they come out to be $1.99. I know most of you guys don't like the Tide Simply, so it's up to you guys what you guys want to do with that. I am giving you guys these deals on the Walgreens website, so they do their ad at the second page. It's kind of weird, but they do have the Crest mouthwash, floss, toothpaste, and brushes for $2.99. We are getting some Crest $1 off coupons, so you guys can only use 2 of those coupons per transaction. So if you guys have any digitals, go for it, but otherwise no digitals. You guys just want to use the regular paper coupons. Use 2 of those that we'll be getting. You will pay $6.97, and then you'll get a $7 register reward, making the toothpaste for free. So you can actually buy 2 toothpaste if you want, and then buy like a toothbrush or something like that. But that's a good deal. They got chips for $1.99. I always say $1.99 is a great deal. And then they have 7-Up, Dr. Pepper, A&W, Sunkist, and Canada Dry products. 3 for $7.99. That's the best way to go when I say buy pop. So they come out to be $2.66 a piece. I think that by far is the cheapest place that I can find pop. I mean, for a lot of grocery stores. So yeah. So let's go on to the next page. I can't really read the small print on here, but I think you can use those register rewards from the 10 times every day. You can use it like right afterwards. So there is that. But that's a deal. If you guys use that, you can't pay with points. So sharing you guys that. Sorry, Miss Charlotte's just being super cranky because she's super tired. Not really much going on with food, candy. Okay, I'm back. So the icebreakers are 2 for $3, and it looks like there's a $1 off and 2 coupon in the Walgreens booklet, and then it looks like there possibly might be a coupon that we're getting in our inserts, making them 2 for $1. So if you guys wanted to go for that, go for that. 50 cents for mints, I think, is a pretty good deal. Now we got more, like lots of drinks on sale. Nothing really popping out. This stuff is a limited area. It's not everybody gets this deal, but it's $14.49, and then you get a $12 mail-in rebate. I did mail mine in. I'm still waiting on the rebate back for that. And then there was a deal with Ibotta that you guys could get them too. So my husband really likes it. I haven't tried the White Claw, but I've tried the Spike Seltzer. So I mean the White Claw for still good price with that. Now we're getting some paper products and cleaning products. Nothing really popping out. That's a pretty good deal with that. School supplies, we have a 6 for $1 for the folders, highlighters. I don't know what else there is. Pencil sharpeners, highlighters, folders, erasers, wooden ruler. Those are going to be technically 16 cents a piece if you guys did 6 for $1. So great deal with that. Why can't I think? The Mead 5-star, buy one get one 50% off. I know we have some of these zebra coupons. Papermate, $1.49, still a good deal. They got some other items for 99 cents and some other items for 49 cents. Bic pens are going to be 2 for $3. Now we do have a $1.50 off a 2 coupon, so you guys would get them for $1.50 for 2 of them, or just 75 cents a piece. This deal this week is a better deal than next week. So more school supplies. Here they do got some Bic highlighters and other Bic pens for 99 cents, so you guys could get those for 25 cents a piece, which I'm going to definitely do that. And again with the zebra, I know we got some of those zebra coupons. I got to look for them, but I'm going to try to find those zebra coupons. I thought we had some. Medicines, nothing really popping out for that. Nothing really, yeah. These deals are always the same, but yeah. There they got the Rimmel. They got it for 40% off. Now we do have some $3 off eye coupons that were on coupons.com. So definitely use those if you guys want to do that. I think that palette's like I think it's like $12.99 regularly. I don't remember off the top of my head, but if we can get it super cheap, I will do that. Revlon and Almay, $6.99. Now we do have some $3 off Almay coupons. So you guys want to buy 2 Almay lipsticks. I know they got the Goddess ones. Those are really good lip balms or lip gloss. But you guys are in the 8-4 Smart Source. You guys would pay $7.98 for both of them. But then you guys will get a $7 registry reward, making it 98 cents. So 50 cents a piece. All right. Sorry for yawning, you guys. I'm just super tired. Purell is $1.99. Now, we do have some $1 off coupons from coupons.com. Plus, there's some digitals. My digitals took off a lot last time, so they come out to be 99 cents. Great price. I like stocking up on those things. All this stuff is pretty much the same price as it is all month long. They do have Colgate double toothpaste and the Colgate double toothbrushes. I'm not sure if we have any coupons coming for those, but they are $4.99, and then you get a $3 registry reward. It comes to $1.99. Toothpaste, no. Maybe the toothbrushes, they come out to be $1.99. I don't say that's a good deal. Sorry. Colgate Optic is 3 for $12. It looks like there's going to be a 5 off of 3 digital coupons, so be prepared. There might be some great coupons to print on coupons.com, but you guys will get a $5,000 points when you buy 3. Comes out to be $2 for 3 of them. It's an okay deal. Okay deal. Right Guard, we are getting a buy 2 get 1 free coupon, so you guys will get 3 Right Guards for $6. Okay deal. Not the greatest, but hey. Gillette is $6.99. We got $2 off coupons, and then you guys get $2 registry reward when you buy 2. Not the greatest. And then we are on the last and final page, just some pictures, 15 cents each for 4x6 photos. I know usually we can get them cheaper than that, so if you guys ever need pictures take printed, not right away, if you can wait on it, wait till they go on like 10 or 9 cents sales. So just share with you guys on that. I hope you guys have a great day. It's going to be an awesome week for couponing next week, and I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.